Lots happening in the world. Let's see what made it to the Intense 5. Our hearts go out to the people of Redding, California, battling a wildfire that was apparently started by a car. Over 7 people have died and hundreds have lost their homes. Jano.
So last week, Spice went at VP Records over Twitter about the album they never released. Well, VP responded and said it's in the works 10 years later.
Cardi B and Offset got matching cars. The couple bought a green and an electric blue Lamborghini just because they could. Hashtag couple goals. Of course, bad mind set in and people accused them of leasing the cars. So, in true Cardi style, she posted the receipt. You go, girl.
Ow!
Yes, I love Lamborghinis too.
Michael Rainey Jr., aka Tariq from the hit show Power, has applied for his Jamaican passport. While he was here a few weeks ago with his mom, who is Jamaican, he fell in love with the island. So as he got back home, he applied. Okay, great, wonderful. Tariq, nobody even likes you in the show. Sorry. Carrying power feelings.
You really are. And finally holding the spot this week. Warren Ware posted an altercation with police after he was stopped recently during a random spot check. Now, while the police were being civil, Ware went all out on them. It really never looked good at all. Anyways, he posted an apology on his page saying that he reacted wrongly. Well, it takes a big man to apologize, so yeah, good look that. Yeah, okay. That's it for the Intense 5. Remember, we are on Facebook and Instagram at TVJ Intense.
Up next, Dance Class with Sanjay. We'll soon forward.